The Senate, in a closed session, deliberated on matters relevant to the workings of the Senate in particular and the National Assembly in general, and particularly set up a small ad hoc committee to advise the Senate within 1 week on the reaction to the current discussions going on in the United States Congress on the issue of Christian pogrom or religious crisis in Nigeria, and resolved to set up this committee. Senator Bello, Foreign Affairs, Senator Adamu Aliru, Senator Omer, Senator Aneke Ambasi, Senator Niyi Adegbomire, Senator Abdul Ningi, Senator Sukwa Weyan, Senator Abiru, Senator Tony Woye, Senator Sam, Senator Mongolu, and the Senator Maiduri, former ambassador, to come up with a position paper on what should be presented to the executive and also to the Senate that will form a major reaction of the approach of the legislature in Nigeria towards the ongoing discussions in America with facts and statistics. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole?